Go around. There you go. There you go. You're figuring it out. Good job. Here, let me help you a little bit. There you go. Look at you go. Good job. You want to show Grandma how you walk with the other one? Why don't you switch over to this one? Go walk with this one. You gonna do both of them? You got it. Push it back. You stuck? Why you left stuff in the way? There. Go. Go. When you straighten it up, it'll be easier. There you go. You're not doing so good today.